Hi everyone, this video is just to show you how to add narration to a presentation. If you're using other software like PowerPoint, proper PowerPoint, you can do it within PowerPoint, but Google Slides doesn't allow you to do it, so here's how you can. The software you're going to want to use, if you have a Mac, you can just use QuickTime. You open it up and you say File, New, Screen Recording, and then for either Mac or PC is a program called screencast-o-matic. I'll provide a link to that in the details underneath this video. Both of them work very much the same way. You get them going and you can record all or part of your screen. You have the option of having your face on the screen as well if you want to use your camera, but I'm not going to require that. With both of these, the key is to not rush. So for example, here I started the screencast with QuickTime or the screen capture, and I didn't actually begin, talking and recording for a few seconds until I knew that everything on screen looked like I wanted. It's very easy to use a trimming tool to cut off the beginning of your video or the end, and that's kind of the easiest way. So typically, you want to start the video, start the screen capture, get everything the way you want, begin presenting, and make sure that as you're presenting that you're just going slowly and talking normally, not talking too fast because you're nervous and not taking a breath like this. And then when you do that, usually you can present pretty easily. Don't worry about if you make mistakes. I'm not asking you to go in and edit any mistakes out. If you do make a mistake, just take a second and regain your composure and just keep going. If it's really bad and you think that's embarrassing, you can certainly go learn how to edit mistakes out, but that's not what's being assessed, and I'm not asking you to do that. Again, I think you'll probably be doing this with a lot of different teachers, so you really need to think about how much time you're going to spend. My point is, if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. It's not going to affect your grade. Just gain your composure, regain your composure, and move on. I'll post a few useful links in the show notes below, as I said, and I think that's all. So enjoy, and I look forward to seeing your videos. Bye for now.